Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech Chat. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to install VMware tools on your Windows virtual machine. So here I have set up VMware Workstation Player and I have created virtual machine for my Windows 2016 operating system, but I don't have some features with default settings. So I can't go to the full screen mode, so it will not go to the full screen mode as I wish. So, and also we have option to enter Unity mode. So if we click on this, okay, there is a error. The virtual machine cannot enter Unity mode because the guest operating system does not have VMware tools installed. So that's the problem. So guys, to install the VMware tools, so click on player drop down, then go to manage and install VMware tools. Click on that. Okay, now we have to go to our file explorer, so click on that. Okay, click on this PC and you can see now VMware tools has been attached to the my virtual machine. So now we need to install this, so double click on it. Remember that this virtual machine is in VMware Workstation Play environment. So this will take few minutes to complete the installation. So once complete the installation, this will require a reboot. Okay, now we need to, okay, now installation setup was started. Now click on next. So this is a typical installation. Install the program features used by the VMware products only. Okay, so and you have complete, custom, and you have three options. So I'm not going to change the default one. So click on next, click on install. Now it is installing VMware tools. This will take few minutes to complete. After the completion, we have to reboot our computer, our virtual machine to apply the changes. Okay guys, now installation was completed. Click on finish. Okay. Now if you click on enter Unity mode. Okay. Okay guys. So now you can see we can enter the Unity mode. So now we have full screen mode. But to apply changes correctly, we have to reboot our virtual machine. Okay, you must restart your system for the configuration changes made to VMware tools to take effect. So click on yes. Now this will restart. Okay guys, now we can log into our virtual machine. Click on player and send Control Alt Delete, and now we can add our password and log into the virtual machine. Okay guys, now you can see our virtual machine is taken full screen of my computer. So guys, so it is better to install VMware tools when you set up your VMware workstation player. So you have to install VMware tools in each virtual machine. So guys, this is the today video. So thank you very much for watching this video, and please subscribe my YouTube channel and please follow my Facebook page, and you can reach to my website techchat.lk and you can read articles about IT related things. And guys, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching this video.